Good afternoon, children. Children, now as we saw the correction of the homework, okay, now let us continue. Continue it by writing our classwork. Okay, so take out your classwork note, all of you. Take out your classwork note, all of you, and after the glossaries, you are going to write this. We have already written the glossaries, meanings. Yeah. Now write answer the following. Answer the following question. Copy it from your book. You have book back questions? Yes, copy now. Answer the following questions. ANSWER answer. THE the FOLLOWING following. QUESTIONS questions. You are not just first, second standard children, you are fifth standard children. So I would like to rush out. So start to write, learn to write fast, okay? Right. Don't bite your lips. Don't look here and there. Keep on writing. Don't say my hand is paining and all, okay? Fine. Question number 1. By the time, if you finish the answers or with whatever I say, start copying the next question and be ready for the answers, okay? Yeah. What were WHAT? What? WERE were. What were? Anandan. ANAN DHAN. ANAN DHAN. Anandan. What were Anandan? And Yalini. And Yalini. YAZHINI. YAZHINI. Yalini. Watching in the television. Watching in the television. WATCHING. Watching. INN. THE the television. 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 Answer. Anandan and Yalini. Anandan and Yalini. ANANDHAN. Anandan and and Yalini. YAZHINI. Yalini. YAZHINI. Yalini. Anandan and Yalini were watching a ceremony. A ceremony. 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 Where people were. Where people were. WHERE. Where. PEOPLE. People. WERE. Were. WHERE. Where. PEOPLE. People. WERE. Were. Where people were paying respect. Paying respect. PAYING. 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 Paying respect. 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 To a helmet. TO2 a HELMET. Helmet. TO2 a HELMET. Helmet. On top of a gun. On top of a gun. On TOP. Top. OF of a GUN. Gun. On top of a gun. So children, now the next question is question number 2. What is What is Amar? AMAR. Amar Jawan. Copy the questions from your book bag. Okay. Jawan. 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 Jyoti. 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 What is Amar Jawan Jyoti? What is Amar Jawan Jyoti? Answer is Amar Jawan Jyoti. AMAR. Amar. JAWAN. Jawan. JYOTI. Jyoti. Amar Jawan Jyoti is a memorial. 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 Amar Jawan Jyoti is a memorial for the soldiers. For the soldiers. 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 Who died? Who died for our country? Who died for our country? Amar Jawan Jyoti is a memorial for the soldiers who died for our country. Okay, children, I hope you have finished copying the question and answers. Yes. Now copy the next question from your book back. The third one. What did WHAT? What did did what did Anandan 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 want to become? What did Anandan want to become? WANT TO2 BECOME become. Want to become. The answer is Anandan wanted to become a doctor. Anandan wanted to become a doctor. DOCTOR, doctor. Okay. Now children, copy your next questions from the book. Question number 4. Why did Yalini WHYY DID did YAZHINI Yalini YAZHINI Yalini. Why did Yalini want to join the military? Want to join the military. MILITARY military. MILITARY military. Answer. Yalini wanted to join the military. Yalini YAZHINI Yalini wanted 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 TO2 JOIN join THE the MILITARY military because she wanted to serve the nation. SERVE serve Nation. 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 Serve the nation. Now, question number 5. Copy it from your book quickly. What happened? WHAT. What happened? HAPPENED. Happened to Doctor Carmugilan. Carmugilan. KAR. Car Mugilan. 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 Carmugilan. In the story. What happened to Dr. Carmugilan in the story? Now answer. Doctor. DR is short form for DOCTOR. Okay, ma? DR is short form for doctor, but this short form you are not supposed to write everywhere. For this you can write. Okay. Dr. Carmugilan. Dr. Carmugilan was infected. 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 Infected from dengue. From dengue. 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 From dengue. And so okay, Dr. Carmugilan was infected from dengue. Infected from dengue and so died in the story. DIED died. INNTHE the STORY stories. And so died in the story. Okay. Now the sixth question. This is the last one. What was the epidemic? Epidemic that broke out in the story. Epidemic நோய். ஓகே, ஒரு கொடூரமான நோய் தொடர்ந்து இப்போ வந்துச்சிருக்கலாம், கொரோனா. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் எபிடெமிக் ஆஃப் கொரோனா. அந்த மாதிரி the epidemic that broke out in the story was dengue. Okay children, fine, that's all. Let's meet again in the next video. Till then, do your homework, study well. Bye.